Hi guys, welcome to DSP NIT Andhra. I am Sai Kiran and today we are going to discuss about one of the main advantages of digital signal processing. We know that some of the advantages of digital signal processing are high accuracy, low cost, digital storage, noise immunity, easy operation, flexibility in configuration, multi-directional transmission, easy encryption and so on. But in this video, we are going to discuss about why digital storage is easy compared to analog storage and its benefits. Analog storage. Examples of analog storage devices are phonographic devices, cassettes in tape recorders, vinyl records, etc. The analog data in these devices are stored in continuous form. Due to this, it is not feasible to store massive amounts of data. Not only this, but also it takes more time to perform read and write operations. As it is continuous, it is more prone to noise. The main reason to choose digital storage over analog storage is computer, because computer can perform various operations on digital data. So we choose digital storage over analog. Digital storage. Digital data is stored using binary representation, which means we only require two parameters that corresponds to 0 and 1. There are mainly three types of digital storage mechanisms. They are magnetic, flash and optical. Example for magnetic storage is hard disk. Hard disk uses magnetization for storage. Here, hard disk is coated with a film microscopic metal grains. This group of metal grains corresponds to a bit. The magnetization direction of these metal grains in a group corresponds to either 0 or 1. Flash storage. Example for flash storage is SSD, solid state drive. In SSD, we have inbuilt memory cells which can store the electrons. Depending on the density of electrons, each memory cell corresponds to either 0 or 1. It is much faster than traditional mechanical hard disk. Optical storage. It is an electronic storage medium that uses low power laser beams to record and retrieve digital data. In optical storage technology, a laser beam encodes digital data onto an optical disc in the form of tiny bits arranged in a spiral track on the disk surface. We have seen the different types of storage mechanisms. So now finally we can conclude that benefits of digital data storage are simple, easily transportable, lasting storage capacity, small storage devices, can be processed easily by a computer, and finally it can be stored in digital hard disk, floppy disk and CDs, etc. Thank you guys for watching this video.